Okay, so I do want to talk about the affiliate program that you have because I think this is a great way, a great opportunity that you've given moms like me, stay at home moms, to make a little money because we're always recommending curriculums, books that we love, and you opened up this affiliate program. Can you talk a little bit about how it works and where moms can sign up?
So the website is TuttleTwins.com/affiliates, and pretty easy to make an account. And that gives you a special link where when you share that link, and if anyone clicks your link and then buys books, you then get some credit. It's $10 if they buy the set of books, which is what 99% of people do. They come to the website, they see the whole pitch for the children's books. And so most people are just buying that. So we have some people making, I think we have a couple people who make, close to $1,000 a month doing it. We have a whole bunch making hundreds of dollars or tens and whatever. So it's just a really passive way, especially if you have a blog or social media following, just to be sharing the word. For me, it's important because I find us having this resource that I want the whole world to know about, but I don't have a way to reach the whole world. I just can reach my own little circle. And so it's a way for us to reach into other circles and incentivize, to align our incentives with those people who, even though they love the books, maybe they don't want to talk about them all the time. But if they are incentivized to do so now, they're more willing to share it with their circles. And so it's not for everyone, but it's an option for those who want to be able to do that. And it's TuttleTwins.com/affiliates, and it just has the instructions that you need to follow there.